हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं क्लास 11 एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी चैप्टर 2 बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन। ये चैप्टर नीट के एग्जाम के लिए 2 या 1 क्वेश्चन का वेटेज रखता है। तो यहाँ पे मैं सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हाईलाइट करके लाया हूँ ताकि आप इस चैप्टर को कम से कम समय में रिवाइज कर सके। तो गाइस चलो स्टार्ट करेंगे। Aristotle was the earliest to attempt more scientific basis for classification. He used simple morphological characters to classify plant into tree, shrubs and herb. Linnaeus ने टू किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन पर वर्क किया था, प्लांटी एंड एनिमलिया। R.H. Whittaker 1969 proposed the kingdom classification: Monera, Protista, Fungi and Animalia, Plantae and Animalia. Kingdom Monera. Bacteria, the sole member of Kingdom Monera, live in an extreme habit: hot spring, desert, snow, deep ocean. बैक्टीरिया की 4 कैटेगरीज है: स्पेरिकल, कोकस, कोकी, रोड सेपेट, बेसिलस, बेसिलाई, कोमा सेपेट, वाइब्रो, स्पाइरल, स्पिरिलिया. Archibacteria live in the most harsh habit: extremely chatty areas, Helophysis, hot spring, Thermoacidophilus, marshy areas, Methanogen. डिफरेंट सेल वाल देखने मिल जाता है हमें यहाँ पे. मिथेनोजन्स आर द प्रेजेंट इन द गट रुमेनिन एनिमल्स सच एस काउ एंड बोफेलोस. प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मिथेनोजन्स बायोगैस. यूबैक्टीरिया यानी कि ट्रू बैक्टीरिया, प्रेजेंस ऑफ रिजिड सेल वाल, मोटाइल फ्लैजेलम. साइनोबैक्टीरिया ऑल्सो रेफर्ड टू एज ब्लू एंड ग्रीन अल्गीज. क्लोरोफिल ए प्रेजेंट होता है सिमिलर टू ग्रीन अल्गी. Plants and their photosynthetic autotrophs. The cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonized, filamentous, freshwater, marine and terrestrial algae. The colonized, surrounded by the glutinous sheath from the bloom in polluted waters bodies. Some of the organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogens in the specialized cells called heterocytes. Example: notocots and Anabaena. Chemosynthesis autotrophic bacteria, nitrate and ammonia. Energy for their ATP production. हेटरोटोपिक बैक्टीरिया डिकम्पोज होते हैं, हेल्पफुल इन मेकिंग क्रोड एंड मिल्क, क्रोड फ्रॉम मिल्क. प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक्स. पैथोजन काउसिंग डैमेज ह्यूमन बीइंग, कोलेरा, टाइफाइड, टिटनस, सिट्रस एंड कैंकर्स. माइकोप्लाज्मा कंप्लीटली लेक सेल वाल, स्मॉलेस्ट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है, सर्वाइव विदाउट ऑक्सीजन. किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा. ऑल सिंगल सेलेड यूकैरियोटिक आर प्लेस्ड अंडर द प्रोटिस्टा. बाउंड्रीज ऑफ दिस किंगडम नॉट वेल डिफाइनेड. Aquatic animals है ये. प्रोटिस्टा सेल बॉडी कंटेन वेल डिफाइनेड न्यूक्लियस एंड अदर मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड ऑर्गेनेलास. Cryophytes, diatoms and golden algae, desmite, fresh water as well as the marine, float passively in water current, planktons. Billions of the air is referred to as diatomous earth. Brings gritty and soil is used polishing and filtration of the oils and syrups. Dinoflagellate, marine and photosynthetic, appear yellow, green, brown, blue, red depending on the pigments. Presence of their cell wall, stiff cellulose plate, 2 flagella, one lies longitudinally and one other transversely. Example: Gonocolex. See appear red tides. Toxin releases by the such as number of maybe even kill the marine animals such as fishes. Euglenoid, freshwater organism found in the standard waters. Instead of the cell wall, protein-rich layer called pellicles which make their body flexible. Behave like heterotrophs, predating on their smaller organisms. Pigment of euglenoids are identical those present in the higher plants. Example: Euglena. Smile molds, saprophytic protista, body move, decaying twigs and leaves, iglufine organic materials. Aggregation called Plasmodium grows several feet. Plasmodium differentiated and from the fruiting bodies bearing the spore their tips. Protozoans में all protozoans are heterotrophs, live in the predator or parasite. Amoeboid protozoans, fresh water, sea water or moist soil. Move and captures of prey by putting out Pseudopodia. Fall speed amoeba from the have silica their surface. Entamoeba parasite. Flagellated protozoan parasite, sleeping sickness, Trypsonema. Ciliated protozoan, Paramecium, sporozoans, 4-like stage, infection, malaria parasite, causing malaria disease. Kingdom fungi. Fungi cause disease in the plant and animal. Wheat rust causing Puccinia. Their body consists of long, slender, thread-like structure called hyphae. The network of hyphae is known as the mycelium. Cell wall of fungi are composed of chitin and polysaccharide. Fusions of protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gametes called plasmogamy. Fusions of two nuclei called karyogamy. Meiosis in zygote resulting in the haploid spore. Phycomycetes, obligate parasite on the plant. Mycelium is septate and coinocyte. Asexual reproduction takes place. Zoospores and motile. Aplanospore non-motile. Spore are endogenously. Gametes are similar in morphology, isogamous or dissimilar, anisogamous or oogamous. Example are mockers, rhizopus and beds. Mauled earlier. Albugo-parasite fungi on mustard. Ascomycetes, sect fungi. Multicellular, example Penicillium, unicellular, example Yeast, Saccharomyces. They are saprophytic decomposer, parasite on the Cropophilus, growing on dung. Branched and septate, mycelium called coinocytes, conidiospores, fruiting body called ascocarps. Some example of Aspergilla, clavipups and Neurospora. Neurospora is used extensively in biochemical genetic work. Morulus and truffles are considered as delicacies. Basidiomycetes, mushroom, bracket fungi or pope balls. Mycelium is branched and septate. Sex organs are absent. Food plasmogamy by fusions of two vegetative somatic cell differentiation. Different strain of genotypes. Example Agaricus mushroom, Ustilagos mud and Puccinia. Deuteromycetes imperfect fungi. Reproduced only by a sexual spore known as mycelium is septate and branched. Some members are saprophytes or parasite. Decomposer, example Alternaria, Coleotrichums and Trichoderma. अब पढ़ेंगे वायरस, वायरोइड, विरियंस के बारे में, लाइकन्स के बारे में. वायरस नॉट कंसिडर्ड ट्रू लिविंग्स. वायरस को हम ट्रू लिविंग कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं. नॉन सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं वायरस. वायरस लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग. Dmitry Levinsky 1892 recognizes certain microbes called organisms of the mosaic dishes of the tobacco were found in the smaller than bacteria because of the passed through urea proof of filter. M.W. Blavatsky 1898 demonstrated that the extracted infected plant of tobacco could cause infection. Healthy plant named neopathogens. Virus is called the fluid mosaic continuum even fluidum infection living. W.M. Centley 1935 Soviet virus could be crystallized and crystal consist largely proteins. W.M. Centley 1935 showed that virus could be crystallized and crystal consist largely proteins. Virus also containing genetic material either RNA or DNA. No virus containing both the DNA and RNA and DNA. Virus infected plant have a single stranded RNA. Virus that infected animals either single or double stranded RNA or double stranded DNA. Bacterial virus or bacteriophage virus infected the bacteria are usually double stranded DNA virus. Protein code capsid made of small subunit capsomers. Virus cause diseases like smallpox, herpes, and influenza. AIDS in humans is also caused by the virus. Viroid 1971 Thiodinars, potato spindle tuber disease, pre-RNA it is lacked protein code. Hence name it virus virid. The RNA of the virid was the low molecular weight. Purines, modern medicine, certain infection, neurological disease, protein. The transmitted by the agents consist of abnormally folded protein agents similar to the virus. The bonus of fungiforms, encephalopathy BSF, made cow disease in certain in disease cattle. The analogous variant GR-Carpo disease CD in human. Lichens are symbiotic association between mutually useful between algae and fungi. Algal component known as phycobind and fungal component by the mycobinds. Lichens are very good pollination indicators. They do not grow in polluted areas. तो गाइज यहाँ पे हमारा चैप्टर खत्म होता है.